Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling official scorecards and admission rules. That is non-negotiable. Once you have scores, record the exam's total marks and the qualifying degree percentage, because calculations depend on scale and weight. Make sure to note quota, category, and any state or sports bonus that changes effective marks. Start the index mark formula now. List components and their weights. Don't delay. Having exact scales and policy rules prevents later recalculation and errors during normalization. You now convert every component to the common scale the authority uses, for example scaling a 100-mark exam to a 600-mark system by ratio. Once components are scaled, multiply each by its assigned weight percentage. This yields weighted contributions. Make sure to follow specified rounding and decimal precision. Rounding earlier versus later changes results. If tiebreak rules exist, compute secondary values e.g. subject marks, birth date, immediately so you can apply them without redoing normalization. You finish by summing the weighted, normalized components to produce the final index mark. Keep one extra decimal for internal verification before official rounding. Once done, compare your result to any published sample computations or test cases to confirm accuracy. Make sure to document each intermediate value so you can trace errors. Troubleshooting tip: if numbers don't match expected outcomes, re-examine the applied scale conversions, weight percentages, rounding points, and whether category or state bonuses were correctly added.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.